Number 1.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, well-maintained daily driver with 187,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a classic red exterior paired with a gray interior. Sitting on a 2/5 drop with 16-inch Boyd's baby billets, the truck has a clean and stylish stance. The interior is in great condition for its age and includes the desirable Mark III interior trim.
The headliner has been professionally redone using OEM material, maintaining an authentic factory look.
A brand new transmission oil pan has been recently installed, and the air conditioning is fully functional, making it comfortable for daily use. While the red paint is in fair condition with some imperfections here and there, the truck still presents well overall.
Number 2.
1970 Dodge D100, price $9,500. Under the hood sits a freshly rebuilt 360 V8 engine, paired with a smooth-shifting 3-speed manual transmission mounted on the floor. With its bright yellow exterior and contrasting black interior, this truck offers both striking looks and dependable performance. Originally a Western vehicle, it has seen little to no rust throughout its lifetime. The body is exceptionally straight and solid, enhanced by a brand new paint job and a fresh exhaust system. The undercarriage remains clean and structurally sound, reflecting the truck's dry climate heritage. Inside, the black seat is in great condition, contributing to a comfortable and classic driving experience. This Dodge D100 starts right up and is ready to drive anywhere with confidence.
Number 3.
1990 Ford Ranger, price $5,229. This truck is a dependable and compact pickup truck that has proven its reliability over time. With 154,000 original miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives strong, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting, work duties, or even as a base for a classic restoration project. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a gasoline engine, offering smooth shifts and efficient performance. The exterior is finished in a classic blue, perfectly matched by a blue interior that adds to its vintage appeal. Despite its age, the body is clean and in great overall condition, showing how well it has been maintained throughout the years.
Number 4.
1993 Ford F150, price $4,000, well-preserved classic that spent its entire life in Texas, making it a solid, rust-free truck with a clean, straight body.
Finished in white, it features black vinyl accents that can easily be removed in under 5 minutes if preferred.
With just 117,000 miles on the odometer, this F-150 is powered by a reliable inline-6 engine that runs and drives excellently. Originally equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, the truck has recently been swapped to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, offering ease of use without compromising performance. It rides on brand-new Toyo tires and is fully highway-ready, needing absolutely nothing mechanically. Both fuel tanks are fully functional, and there are no leaks or strange suspension noises. The air conditioning system does need a recharge, but it does blow cold air when charged. This gasoline-powered Ford is an ideal classic for those looking for a dependable, vintage pickup that's ready to hit the road.
Number 5.
1969 Ford F100, price $10,000, powered by a strong 390 cubic inch V8 engine that was rebuilt just 25,000 miles ago. It features a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, offering a nostalgic driving experience that's both fun and functional. The truck runs, drives, and shifts smoothly with no leaks, and it has been used as a reliable daily driver. Finished in a vibrant blue exterior and running on gasoline, this F100 is in solid condition with minimal rust. The bed and floors are in excellent shape, a rare find for a truck of this vintage. All systems and features are in proper working order, from the lights to the gauges. It starts up with ease and delivers a satisfying exhaust note that speaks to its classic American muscle. This Ford is more than just a looker, it's roadworthy and dependable, ideal for both work and play. Whether cruising around town or hitting the highway, it's a turnkey driver that wouldn't hesitate at any distance. A true gem for any classic truck enthusiast.
Number 6.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. It has covered 208,000 miles, but it received a full automatic transmission rebuild at 100,000 miles, ensuring solid and reliable shifting.
Powered by a stock 350 EFI V8 engine, the truck runs strong and handles tight, perfect for daily driving, which it's currently used for. The exterior is finished in silver, while the clean interior features a gray vinyl molded floor instead of carpeting, making it easy to maintain. Aside from the driver's side of the bench seat needing reupholstering, the interior is in excellent condition. A Kenwood stereo system and LED headlights have been installed for added comfort and visibility.
while a dual Flowmaster exhaust gives the truck a deep, aggressive tone. This Chevy sits on a 6-inch Beltec rear axle flip kit with a C-notch for proper clearance. Riding on 17-inch Corvette C4 saw blade wheels paired with 3/4-inch spacers and Continental Performance radial tires that still have some life left.
Number 7.
1994 GMC 1500, price $3,500, featuring a striking blue exterior and matching blue interior. It runs on gasoline and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Originally outfitted with a 305 engine and 4L60E transmission, it has been upgraded to a more powerful 350 V8 paired with a 700R4 transmission. The 350 engine has been fully resealed with all new gaskets, a new timing chain installed, and given a fresh coat of paint. The transmission was also serviced, receiving a new filter, fluid, and pan gasket, along with a newly replaced TV cable to ensure smooth shifting. Numerous additional components have been replaced, including a new distributor, ignition module, spark plugs and wires, thermostat and housing, wheel bearings, wheel cylinder, and a new BrakeMaster cylinder. Hinge pins on the driver's door have also been replaced for improved door function. The truck rides on brand new tires with less than 100 miles on them. Although it currently runs and drives well, it will need a new fuel pressure regulator to be fully reliable and at 100%.
Number 8.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $2,800, with 191,000 miles on the odometer. It runs on gasoline and features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The truck comes in a classic blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, offering a timeless look. It has been upgraded with a brand new fuel pump and a modern touchscreen radio for added convenience. Sitting on aftermarket rims valued at $500, it carries a bold presence on the road. While the truck is mechanically strong, it does need a new starter and brake lines, as the current ones are non-functional, meaning the vehicle currently has no braking ability. Overall, it's a solid platform with great potential for someone willing to finish a few repairs.
Number 9.
1969 GMC 1500, price $6,500, well-preserved classic with a gold exterior and matching gold interior. It features an automatic transmission, a strong 350 V8 engine, power brakes, power steering, and factory AC. All components still intact from the factory. The truck runs, drives, and stops great, thanks to many new parts including a rebuilt quadrajet carburetor, a new passenger side exhaust manifold, new brake hoses, wheel cylinders, rear brake lines, a new master cylinder, spark plugs and wires, points, fuel pump, sending unit, fuel hoses, and a new thermostat and housing. All the lights work as they should, structurally solid, the floor pans are in good shape, and there's no rust above the windshield. The rockers are the roughest area, but overall, this is a dependable and mostly original vintage truck ready to enjoy.
Number 10.
1971 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000. This truck is a classic American pickup that combines vintage style with solid mechanical performance. It's powered by a mildly built 327 V8 engine mated to a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a strong and engaging driving experience. The truck runs well and is mechanically sound, making it an excellent candidate for someone looking for a reliable classic that's already road-ready. Finished in a black exterior, it carries a bold, timeless look. While the drivetrain and overall mechanical condition are in great shape, the truck still needs some cosmetic work, including paint and bed refinishing, to truly bring it to the next level. With a bit of time and effort, this C10 can become a standout on the road or at any classic car meet.